Turns out that's what the private meeting was about in the judge's chambers this morning. Remember the one that went on for about an hour that they didn't disclose? Earlier, the judge had ruled over objections from Diddy's legal team that the rapper's identity must remain sealed. Diddy's other lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, made a public objection to that the moment that court resumed, actually. He argued that the public had a right to know who Jane was talking about and said that the rapper should be named in open court. But the prosecutor, Maureen Comey, fired back and said that outing this rapper wasn't about transparency in the case. It was about intimidation. She actually said it was, quote, a pretext to harass this witness, Jane. And in the end, the judge agreed. The judge agreed with the government. Boom, done, gavel down, finished. So for now, the identity of that rapper officially remains a mystery, though I said it before and I'll say it again. The internet has done its own forensic deep dive and seemingly figured it out. And what have they figured out? Hold that thought, because first I want to talk about something real quick. What do the stories we cover on Drop Dead Serious prove? Honestly, they prove that the world is unpredictable and that having a really good lawyer is important. It matters. And that is where my great sponsor and partner, Morgan & Morgan, comes in. They are a firm with over 1,000 attorneys, and they honestly win a lot. You see their billboards everywhere, right? There's a reason. Check the stats, too. In the past few months alone, Morgan & Morgan secured a $9.3 million verdict in a car crash in Florida. And they also got a $5.6 million verdict for another car accident victim in Atlanta. And that's not even taking into account the $1.8 million. That one was in Kentucky after the insurance company offered the victims a mere $5,000 for their case. So if you think that your case is important, if you think you're important, but if you don't think your case is worth millions, why not find out? Why not start a claim and fight for what you deserve? Because honestly, it's easy. They make it so easy. Morgan & Morgan set it up where you can start a claim on your phone in 8 clicks. Bing, 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 done, right? So if you're injured, you can start your claim at www.forthepeople.com/Banfield. That's me. You can also click the link below. You can also scan the QR code on your screen and do me a solid. Share it.